Hello everyone, this is Alizal Mix TV and for today's video guys is nandito tayo ngayon sa Linko at ito ay nasa Mitsoy Park. So, here in Taiwan. So, sinasabi nila guys na ito daw yung lugar where you can find the royal people here in Taiwan. So, napakaganda guys. Lahat ng mga nandito sa park na to, merong mga branded yung mga stores dito. Napakahaba. Mga branded yung mga paninda dito. So, since it's my birthday, kaya nakapagala na naman si Yaw. So, enjoy guys. This is the front view of Mitsoy Park. So, napakaganda, napaka-relaxing na place na to guys. Napakaganda. So, enjoy. Enjoy everyone. Thank you for watching. So guys, ito na yung parting loob na. So pumasok na tayo from the front of this Mitsoy Park. So napakaganda, meron sila mga naka-display dito. Oh. Ang ganda ng mga colorful flowers. Ayan. Enjoy everyone for watching until the end. This is just a short exploration because it's my birthday, it's my day off. So, nakapagana na naman si ako. Ayan. Enjoy everyone. Napaka-elegant ng place na to guys. Medyo kaunti lang ang tao dito ngayon because hindi siya Sunday. Ordinary day siya. Maraming tao dito pag yung Sunday kasi maraming mga walang work. Ayan. So, ngayon, it's yung day off ko kasi is ordinary day, Thursday. So, yan. Wednesday and Thursday. So, nag-day off ako ng 2 days. So, ito yung naging exploration ko on my day off. So, ayan guys. Kunti lang ang tao kasi working days. Ayan. Pero meron pa rin naman. Siyempre kami tao din. So, ayan guys. Napakaganda ng place na to guys. Yayamanin talaga. I hope you enjoy watching this video guys. Ang ganda. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe if you are not yet connected to me. And just leave a comment para mabalikan ko kayo. Okay? Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa magandang tanawin dito sa Mitsoy Park. This is my first time guys. This is my first time to visit this place. Of course with my sister, Jen Taiwan Mix. Ayan. Thank you so much. Please watch until the end. Mabush everyone. I think it's almost done. Love you all guys. God bless everyone.